God is telling you today that He has never left you, even in the midst of the storm that you may be going through right now. I am with you constantly, no matter how many times you are shrouded in darkness. I still love you. I can be the source of light for you. I gave you a great plan and a reason for living. Include me in your decision making, and I will work with you to make all your plans successful. Your decision to invite me into your life is the wisest move you will ever make. Join me in prayer, and I will pray for you. You must also forgive yourself if you want me to pardon your sins. All blessings will flow into your life if you have a joyful heart. Psalm chapter 5, verse 3 says, "Whatever causes you concern, get ready to pray about it. God will grant your requests no matter what they are. Be responsive and patient, and it will enter your life. You must stick to your plan if you have one. Adhere to it. Strive for it and proceed in that direction. Strive for it with enthusiasm, a fighting spirit, and the courage to take whatever steps are necessary." Too many dreams are walking around with unfulfilled dreams as a result of repeatedly dismissing them. Keep in mind that no dream is unrealistic or impossible to achieve. Continue to be yourself. You are strong and capable, and you have what it takes. Even your wildest dreams are within your grasp. You should always have my signal to go ready, as well as the word to hear the word yes. There is only one person with whom you will ever share a second, a minute, or a day of your life at the end of the day. That person is you. Do whatever it takes to make sure you like yourself as a person. Maintain your personal boundaries. When your intuition speaks, pay attention. Trust the voice of your higher self over the chatter of your mind. Unlearn what you have been taught. Unfold yourself from the confines of shallow boxes. At all costs, keep your peace. Get out of places where you don't belong. Remind yourself of how valuable you are. Negativity must be avoided. Say yes to what makes you happy.